Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, fog lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.